I want to bring in field meteorologist Michael Armstrong joining us live from the KOCO 5 patio. Mike, Damon was just talking about the fire danger because, you know, the colder air that moved in, you think a lot of times that it could lower that danger, but we've seen a number of fires.
We have. You're right. I mean, that's a great point. It makes a lot of sense that, you would have the colder air, and so it shouldn't be as high of a fire danger, but that's why we want to highlight relative humidity, right? It all has to do with not just the temperature outside, but how dry the air is that moved in. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the video from earlier today. Damon sent in this video. We saw it a little bit earlier, but this was down in the Norman area, and this was right along Flood where I-35 and Flood merged together. That was just before noon, before those thick clouds moved in. Then this fire was near Lake Hefner Parkway and Hefner Road, right next to the medical complex. And you see a tanker working to put out the flames there. They had brush pumpers there. Look at all the charred grass right next to the road. The flag flying there, the cars were driving by, and yet there was another small grass fire. This was just to the east of Lake Thunderbird around lunchtime as well. Now, look at that. That's the 30-day rainfall deficit by percentage. There's nowhere that's above average. Look at Fairview, 6%, and the current burn bans have been expanding. Notice Pottawatomie County now is in a burn ban. Also over toward McLean and Grady and Garvin County. So central Oklahoma, it's getting worse, guys. And that's this area that's here all along I-40 into the south where it's been so dry. So I know you are hearing us say it a lot, but please take this threat seriously, even when the weather doesn't even seem like it would be bad, because these fires, they can destroy lives and destroy property so fast, and our firefighters need all the help they can get. Field meteorologist Michael Armstrong, KOCO 5 News.